Now our today's topic is straight line, which includes locus and change of axis. Today is straight line part 1. Now in this we begin with the locus problems. Problem number 1. Two rods AB and CD of lengths 2A and 2B respectively move along the x and y axis in such a way that the endpoints A, B, C and D are always concyclic. Then the locus of the center of the circle is number 1, y square minus x square is equal to b square minus a square if b a less than b, and 2, x square minus y square is equal to b square minus a square minus b square if a less than b, and number 3, x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square, and number 4, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now AB is equal to A, CD is equal to B, M and N are the midpoints of AB and CD respectively. PXY is the center of the center, so PXY is the center of the circle. Now PM square plus AM square is equal to AP square, which is PD square, which is equal to PN square plus DN square. That is if and only y square plus a square is equal to x square plus b square, or that is y square minus x square is equal to b square minus a square. The answer is 1. Second question. Locus of a point such that the sum of its distances from two fixed points 0 to 0 minus 2 is 6 is number 1, 9x square minus 5y square is equal to 45 square, 5x square plus 9y square is equal to 45, and 9x square plus 5y square is equal to 45, 5x square minus 9y square is equal to 45. This is EAPCET 2011. Right. The solution is square root of x square plus y minus 2 whole square plus square root of x square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 36. On simplification, we have 9x square plus 5y square is equal to 45. That are x square by 5 plus 9 square by y square by 9 is equal to 1. Answer is 3. Right. A point PXY is moving in such a way such that x plus y is equal to 2. Then the locus of the image of the point P in the y-axis is x minus y plus 2 equal to 0, x minus y minus 2 equal to 0, x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0, and minus x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now, the solution is C, A is equal to 2, 0 and B is equal to 0, 2 are the intercepts of the given line on x and y-axis. Since suppose HK is the Hy1 is the image through y-axis, because the image will have the same y coordinate as P through y-axis. So therefore H plus x1 by 2 is equal to 0 and k is equal to y1, or H is equal to minus x1, but x1 minus x1 is equal to minus of 2 minus y1, that is x1 minus y1 plus 2 equal to 0, or the equation is x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. The answer is 1. Question number 4. Let O0, 0, A0, 4, B6, 0 be 3 points. Then the locus of the point P is such that the area of the triangle AOP is twice the area of the triangle BOP is 9x square minus y square equal to 0, x square minus 9y square is equal to 0, and 3x square minus y square equal to 0, x square minus 3y square is equal to 0. Now you know that when one of the x1, y1 and x2, y2 and origin are 3 vertices of a triangle, then its area is half of mod x1, y2 minus x2, y1. So according to the formula, we have half of mod 4x minus 0 is equal to 2 into half modulus of 0 minus 6y, or x square is equal to 9y square. X square is equal to 9y square means answer is number 2. If minus 4, 0 and 1 minus 1 are 2 vertices of a triangle of area 4 square units, then the locus of the third vertex is so and so are given options. Now you know that area of the triangle is always x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are the vertices of a triangle. Then its area is half of mod x1 by 1, 1, x2 by 2, 1, x3 by 3, 1. Here the bits of the triangle are minus 4, 0, 1 minus 1, and the third vertex is xy. So therefore, as per the formula, determinant of modulus of the determinant xy1 minus 4, 0, 1 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 8. That means x plus 5y plus 4 equal to 8. Now squaring and simplifying, the answer is you will get number 3. But this is an EAPCET problem in which they have given only one equation, namely x plus 5y plus 4 is equal to 8. But actually you get a pair of lines, because you know that on any given base there will be two triangles with equal areas itself. But I have here, that's why we have taken modulus and squared both sides. Problem number 6. AB is a bar and P is a point such that AP is equal to A and PB is equal to B. If AB slides between the axes with A is on the y-axis and B is on the x-axis, then the point P describes the curve, namely x square plus y square a square plus b square, x square plus y square a square minus b square, x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1, and x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Suppose P is the point x comma y on the segment AB. Suppose AP is equal to A and PB is equal to B. Now, suppose the segment AP makes angle theta with the x-axis. So now draw PN parallel to y-axis, parallel to x-axis. So therefore, angle APN is equal to theta. So then we have x is equal to A cos theta, y is equal to B sin theta. So therefore, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Answer is 4. Question number 7. Let A cos theta 1, B sin theta 1 and A cos theta 2, B sin theta be two moving points such that theta 1 minus theta 2 is equal to alpha, which is constant. Then the locus of the midpoint of the segment AB is x square by a square is equal to 1, 2, x square by a square plus b square is equal to cos square alpha by 2, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to sin square alpha by 2, and x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to cos square alpha. Let mxy be the midpoint of AB. So therefore, x is equal to a by 2 into cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 and y is equal to b by 2 into sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2. Therefore, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 by 4 into square of 1 cos theta 1 plus sin cos theta 2 whole square plus sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 whole square, that is 2 plus 2 into cos theta 1 minus theta 2, which is half of 2 cos square alpha by 2, because theta 1 minus theta 2 is equal to alpha. So the answer is 2. Let A comma minus 4, B comma B, C7 comma 6 be two fixed points. If P is a moving point such that P is to P is equal to 2 is to 3, then the locus of P is, so number 1, 5x square plus 5y square minus 34x plus 120y plus 29 equal to 0. 2, 5x square plus 5 square plus 34x plus 120y plus 129 equal to 0. 5x square plus 5y square minus 34x plus 120y minus 29 equal to 0. And lastly 4, 5x square plus 5y square plus 34x minus 129y plus 29 equal to 0. Now by hypothesis, P is to PB is equal to 2 is to 3 implies 3 PA is equal to 2 PB, or 9 into 9 PA square is equal to 4 PB square. That means 9 into x minus 5 whole square, 5 whole square plus 5 plus 4 whole square is equal to 4 into x minus 7 whole square plus 5 minus 6 whole square. So if you simplify it, you will get the answer number 1. Question number 9. The locus of the point P which moves such that its distance from the horizon is twice its distance from the point A12 is so and so options. Now by hypothesis, OP is equal to twice PA. That means OP square means x square plus y square is equal to 4 into PA square means 4 into x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Now simplifying both sides, you will get the equation of the locus is 3x square plus 3y square minus 8x minus 16y plus 20 equal to 0. Answer is 2. Right. Question number 10. A 2 comma 3, B 1 comma 5 and C minus 1 comma 2 are fixed points. P is a variable point such that PA square plus PB square is equal to twice PC square. Then the locus of P is 1 10x plus 8y plus 29 equal to 0, 2 10x minus 8y plus 29 equal to 0, 3 10x plus 8y minus 29 equal to 0, 4 8x plus 10y minus 29 equal to 0. Now, by hypothesis, PA square plus PB square is equal to 2 PC square. That means x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square plus x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to twice x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. So, after simplification, when you simplify whole squares, you remove the squares and simplify, then you will get the equation 10x plus 8y minus 29 equal to 0, which is given in answer option number 3. Question number 11. The equation of the locus of the point equidistant from the points A plus B, comma A minus B, B, A minus B, comma A plus B, that is the coordinates are altered, is x plus y is equal to 1, 2 x plus y equal to 0, 3 x minus y is equal to 1, 4 x minus y equal to 0. Now, PA is equal to PB, if and only PA square is equal to PB square. So, now using the distance formula, you will get minus 2 into A plus BX minus 2 into A minus BY is equal to minus 2 into A minus BX minus 2 into A plus B into Y. So, which gives x minus y equal to 0. Answer is number 4. The locus represented by x is equal to A plus B secant theta and y is equal to B plus A tan theta is an hyperbola, an ellipse, a parabola or a circle. Now, the solution is, see, x minus A whole square, x minus A by B whole square minus of y minus B by A whole square is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta, which is equal to 1. This indicates that the locus is a hyperbola, with center at minus A comma minus B. So, the answer is hyperbola. Answer is number 1. 13. The locus of a point represented by x is equal to a by 2 into t plus 1 by t and y is equal to a by 2 into t minus 1 by t, where t is not equal to 0, is x minus y is equal to a, 2x plus y is equal to a, 3x square minus y square is equal to a square, 4x square plus y square is equal to a square. And you can see by x and y, adding x and y, you will get a by 2 into t plus 1 by t plus t minus 1 by t, which is a. So, therefore, the answer is 2. X plus y is equal to a. So, which is number 2. 14. A point moves such that the sum of the squares of its distances from the sides of a unit square is 9. The locus of the point is so and so are given. So, now you consider this unit square ABCD. Unit square means side length ABCD, and suppose P is a point inside the square such that the sum of the distances of P from the sides is 9. So, therefore, now suppose P is equal to x comma y. Now, you take OA as x axis and OC as a y axis. So, therefore, P is equal to x comma y. When P is equal to x comma y, so and you know that B is 1 1, C is 0 1, O is 0 0 and A is 1 0. So, therefore, by hypothesis PA square plus PB square plus So, by hypothesis x square plus y square plus 1 minus x whole square plus 1 minus y whole square is equal to 9, or x square plus y square minus x minus y is equal to 7/2, and this can be written as also x minus half whole square plus y minus half whole square is equal to 4. So, which is nothing but the locus is a circle with center at half comma half and radius 2. So, answer is 2. A 2 comma 5, B 4 comma minus 11, and C be vertices of a triangle. If C lies on the line x plus 7y plus 4 equal to 0, then the locus of the centroid of triangle ABC is 1 27x plus 21y minus 8 equal to 0, 2 24x minus 2 plus 22y minus 6 equal to 0, 3 3x plus 4y minus 2 equal to 0, and 5x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now, as per the formula for the centroid, and if 𝗕HK is the centroid, then 3h is equal to 2 plus 4 plus x, and 3k is equal to 5 minus 11 plus y. So, x is equal to 3h minus 6, y is equal to 3k plus 4. So, therefore, 9x plus 7y plus 4 equal to 0, because C lies on this line, 9x plus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. So, substitute these x and y values in the equation of equation 9x plus 7y plus 4 equal to 0. So, therefore, you will get 27h minus 54 plus 21k plus 42 plus 4 equal to 0, or 27x plus 21y minus 8 is equal to 0, which is nothing but answer 1. Question number 16. A is equal to 2 comma minus 1, and the point B lies on the curve x square plus y square is equal to 25, which is nothing but a circle with center at origin and radius 5. If P divides AB bar in the ratio of 1:2, then the locus of P is 3x minus 4 whole square is plus 3y plus 2 whole square is equal to 25, 2 x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 4, 3x plus 1 whole square plus 3y minus 2 whole square 25, and 4 5x minus 2 plus 5y plus 2 is equal to 25. Now, you see AB bar, let P be the point which divides AB in the ratio of 1:2, whose coordinates are h and k. So, therefore, as per the ratio formula, h is equal to 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into x by 2 plus 1 3, and k is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 into y by 3. So, this shows that 3h minus 4 is equal to x and 3k plus 2 is equal to y, or 3h minus 4 whole square plus 3k plus 2 whole square is equal to x square plus y square, but x square plus y square is equal to 25. Okay, but you are given that B lies on the circle x square plus y square is equal to 25. So, therefore, the answer is 1. Here the problem is A is fixed, B is moving on the circle, x square plus y square is equal to 25. So, if B changes, P also changes. So, the locus of P is nothing but the equation given in option number 1. 17. If the sum of the distance of a point P from two perpendicular lines in a plane is 1, then the locus of P is a rhombus, a circle, a straight line, and a pair of lines. Okay. Now, for the without loss of generality, you can take that those two perpendicular lines are x and y axis. Take the two perpendicular lines as coordinate axis. Now, Pm plus Pn is equal to 1. That means mod x plus mod y, because the distance of a point x comma y from y axis, from x axis is mod y, from y axis is mod x, and by hypothesis mod x plus mod y is equal to 1. That means x plus y equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 1, x plus y is equal to minus 1, x minus y is equal to 1, x minus y is equal to minus 1. So, and 𝗬𝗓 form a rhombus whose diagonals are these x and y axis. So, the answer is number 1. So, question number 18. The locus of the point P, which is equidistant from the points A 1, 0 and B minus 1, 0 is 1 x is equal to 0, 2 y is equal to 0, 3 x is equal to y, and 4 x plus y equal to 0. Now you know that A 1, 0 and B 0 minus 1, 0, they are points on x-axis. Positive x-axis and positive negative x-axis. So its perpendicular bisector is nothing but the y-axis. So any point on the y-axis is equidistant from both A and B. So therefore, the locus is the y-axis whose equation is x is equal to 0. So answer is 1. 19. If a point P moves such that the distance from the point A 1, 1 and the line x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 are equal, then the locus of P is a straight line, a pair of lines, a parabola, an ellipse, and an ellipse. This is EAPCET 2005. So, by definition of a parabola, you know that by definition of what is the definition of a parabola? Given a fixed point and a line not passing through that, then the locus of the point which is equidistant from the fixed point and the fixed line is a parabola. So, according to the definition of the parabola, the locus is nothing but a parabola with A, 1, 1 as focus and x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 as a directrix. Answer 3. Option number 3. Question number 20. If P is a point such that the ratio of the lengths of the tangents from P to the circles s is equal to 0 and s dash equal to 0 is 2:3, then the locus of P is a circle 1 is a circle with center at minus 1, minus 8, 2 circle with center 7, 8, 3 parabola with focus 7, 8 and an ellipse with 7, 8 and minus 7, minus 8 as a foci. Right. And you know that if s is equal to 0 is a circle in the standard form, then the length of the tangent from an external point x1, y1 is nothing but square root of s1, 1. And so as per that formula, we know that the ratio x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 20 is to x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 44 is equal to 2:3. Now, 3 into x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y minus 20 is equal to 2 into x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y minus 44 equal to 0. On simplification, you will get the locus is x square plus y square plus 14x plus 16y minus plus 28 equal to 0, which represents a circle with center at minus 7, minus 8 and radius root 85. So, answer is 1. The locus of the centroid of the triangle with vertices at a cos theta, a sin theta, b sin theta minus b cos theta and 1, 0, where theta is a parameter, is 3x plus 1 whole square plus 9y square is equal to a square plus b square, 3x minus 1 whole square plus 9y square is equal to a square minus b square, and 3x minus 1 whole square plus 9y square is equal to a square plus b square, and 3x plus 1 whole square plus 9y is equal to a square minus b square. Of course, this is asked in 2014 EAPCET, this problem. So, as per the centroid formula, you know that if suppose gx comma y is the centroid of the triangle, then you know that 1 plus a cos theta plus b sin theta whole by 3 is equal to x, and a sin theta minus b cos theta by 3 is equal to y, or in fact 3x minus 1 is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta, and 3y is equal to a sin theta minus b cos theta. Now, squaring and adding 3x minus 1 whole square plus 9y square is equal to a square plus b square. So, the answer is option number 3. Question number 22. Suppose the origin is shifted to the point minus 1, 2, then the new coordinates of the point 2, 3 are 1, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, minus 3, 1, 4, minus 3, minus 1. And you know that if the origin is shifted to the point h comma k without changing the direction of the axis, and if capital X and capital Y are the new coordinates according to the new axis, then the relation between old coordinates and new coordinates are small x is equal to capital X plus h and small y is equal to capital Y plus k, or capital X is equal to small x minus h, and which is 2 minus of minus 1, 3, and capital Y is equal to y minus k, which is 3 minus 2, 1. So, capital XY is equal to 3 comma 1. So, the answer is option number 2. 23. If the origin is shifted to the point 1 comma 1, then the transformed form of the equation 2x square plus 4x square plus 3y square equal to 0. So, you are given 4 options. Now, we will find out which option is correct. Now, as per the again translation, if capital X comma Y is the new coordinates of the point whose old coordinates are x comma y, small x comma small y, then you know that small x is equal to capital X plus 1, small y is equal to capital Y plus 1. So, the required equation is substitute capital X plus 1 and capital Y plus 1 in the given equation in place of x and y. So, that we will have 2 into x plus 1 whole square plus 4 into x plus 1 into y plus 1 plus 3 into y plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So, if you simplify, then the transformed equation is 2x square plus 2 capital X square plus 4 capital X square plus 3y square plus 8 capital X plus 10 capital Y plus 9 equal to 0. So, answer is 1. And please remember that when you shift the origin, the second degree terms of a second degree equation will not change. Only first degree terms will change. Second degree terms means x square, xy and y square. First degree terms means x and y terms. Now, next question 24. When the axes are rotated through 30 degrees in the anti-clock sense without changing the origin, then the new coordinates of the point minus 2 comma 4 are 2 plus 3 comma 1 plus 2 root 3, 2 minus root 3 comma 1 minus 2 root 3, 2 minus root 3 comma 1 plus 2 root 3 and 2 plus root 3 comma 1 minus 2 root 3. And you know that if the axes are changed or rotated through an angle theta in the anti-clock sense without shifting the origin, about the origin, then you know that the relation between old and new coordinates is simply small x means old coordinate is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, and small y is equal to capital X sin theta plus capital Y cos theta. Here theta is equal to 30 degrees you are given. You are given theta is equal to 30 degrees. So, therefore, small x is equal to x cos 30 minus y sin 30, which is root 3 capital X minus capital Y by 2, and y is equal to capital X plus root 3 capital Y by 2. That is, now small x is given to be minus 2 and small y is given to be 4. So, therefore, capital X is 2 minus root 3 and capital Y is equal to 1 plus 2 root 3. Answer is 2 minus root 3, 1 plus 2 root 3, which is nothing but 4. Question number 25. If the axes are rotated through 45 degrees in the clock sense, then the equation x square minus y square a square will be transformed to xy is equal to a square, 2xy is equal to a square, 3xy is equal to a square, and xy is equal to 2a. So, here in the clock sense, so when you rotate the axis in the clock sense, you have to replace theta with minus theta. So, here small x into capital X into cos minus 45 degrees minus y into sin minus 45 degrees, which is capital X plus y by root 2, and small y is equal to x into minus sin 45 degrees plus y into cos minus 45 degrees, which is minus x plus y by root 2. So, that a square is equal to small x square minus y square, which is half of capital X y whole square minus of y minus x whole square, which is nothing but 4xy by 2, or that is equal to 2xy, or xy is equal to a square by 2. Xy is equal to a square by 2. So, the answer is number 2.